Hello everyone, and welcome at the CryptoBorg Show. Today I want to speak to you about something that I tried and I really liked. I found it really awesome, and it's the Xend Finance platform. First, I'm going to be speaking a little bit what is Zen Finance and why did I wanted to try the platform, and then a little bit on what's the platform, what it's letting you do with it, and what I really enjoyed. So let's start up by what is Zen Finance. So if you go on the website of Zen Finance, the first thing you're gonna remark is that Zen is backed by Binance and by Google Developer LaunchPad, which in my head is something huge that we have to consider, because everything backed by Binance will be something big. So why are they using Binance Smart Chain? It's written there, but basically less fee, fast transaction, and governance system is available with the Binance chain. The how it works, explain you how you can save and stake your token in the same time with that platform. The token section in the light paper are more information stuff. Token is a little bit the distribution of it and all of that. But they encourage you, as I do, to join the testnet. I'm gonna tell you why soon, but you're gonna understand more. But here the token, they explain the distribution basically. If you click on the light paper, you're gonna head on a 19-page document, which is not that of a light paper, but it's not as technical as a white paper, so I guess that's why they called it a light paper. But there's still some technical information that you can go look there. They explain how work the issue system, how work the cooperative system, and how work the personal saving. They explain that they're gonna be burning half of the total supply of Xen, which is putting me a little bit more hype, because I like when they burn token, it's making your token more rare. So if you're winning token in that competition, at the end they're gonna have burned half of the total supply, so for sure your token are gonna be more rare. So why do you want to go in the testnet? We're gonna look at that right away. First of all, the testnet incentive people to be trying the platform or to be creating content. So if you want to know how to do it, how to participate, you go on testnet.xend.finance, and you're gonna head on that page where you're gonna be able to check the leaderboard and how to participate. There's this document over here that explain you all the point system, the distribution, how they give points to the content you share, and the video you do, or the media blog article you write, the meme you're creating, the sticker pack you're creating. They explain all the point system on that link over here. If you click there, read more about how to participate. Also, you can go look my video that I did 3 videos on Zen Finance yet. Maybe one more about how to use the platform and how to submit your task you did on those reports. I explain all that on a long video. I do step by step, I sign transaction with you and all that. So you can go look at that video. And also I did a video on basically how to create content, what you can create, on what kind of content you can create for Xend Finance, and how to submit them. So that other video also gonna be linked on the description of that video. All the link that I'm speaking also, I'm gonna link them. So the light paper is gonna be linked on the video. The read how to participate is gonna be linked. The form, I'm gonna link those 2 forms. One of the 2 forms is the technical one, and the other one is the media one. So for the media one, it's when you submit stuff that you tweeted on Twitter, meme that you created, sticker pack that you done, a video that you made, article that you wrote. It's all in media. You click on that, you fill that form, and you get some points. For the technical stuff, when you test the platform over here, when you're doing dashboard, personal operation, issue operation, or cooperative saving, that's all with that form over here, the technical form. What makes me really hype about that project, it's not only that they're backed by Binance and Google Developer LaunchPad, but that's the way they handle that competition over here. It was a hell of a fun. It's not over. We still have 5 or 6 days to take part of it, and you can rank up pretty fast submitting meme, sticker pack, tweet, testing the platform. You can look at the point system, but you can rank up pretty fast. And it's not only the first winner that wins, like the first person wins a tons, the second one wins also a tons, third one also. The 4th place to the 10th place, they all win $150 USD stablecoin and 3K token, and then the next 40 winners. So we're at the 10th winner, so the 11th winner to the 50 winner, they all gain 2K token. It's pretty easy to rank to the 50 winner. Like 50 position has 400 points. You can get over him like getting 600 points and you save your spot. You're getting like rank 39, you're earning 2K token, which in my head is gonna be a lot money because it's backed by Binance, but it's all speculative. It can be worth, I don't know, I'm not part of the ICO. I've not been able to buy those tokens yet. I don't even know if they're like selling some. So at the moment I haven't seen any public sale of that token. When I see a public sale, I'm gonna be more able to gauge how much money it's 3K token. But personally, if I win first, second, 3 or 4th place, I'm gonna keep the token for holding for a good period of time because it's backed by Binance and I can't wait to see the development that they're gonna put through it. So I've done many tests on that platform. This is not my real account. This is another account because I'm on that computer to record video. But basically my real account came into the testnet with 300 BUSD and now it's at 750 BUSD. Everybody knows what's a personal saving account, but your bank maybe not giving you 15% APY per year. Like, this is crazy. You deposit your stable coin there. Let's say I deposit $45. At the end of the year, I'm gonna have $45 plus 15% on that account that I'm gonna be able to withdraw. The cooperative saving, basically a bunch of people putting their money together, but they all can buy different shares. But basically cooperative cycle allow you to deposit any amount. So if you, but not any amount, but you have to respect that share. But if the person is setting the share to $10 and he just take 4 share of it, you can take 6 share of it. It depends on the money you want to put in the cooperative saving. And all the people on the cooperative, they do some profit on that. The esu is esusu, sorry for the pronunciation. This is coming from African societies. Basically, they explain it a lot better into the help section. What is an esu? But basically, every member of the esu, they put in the same amount of money. And at the end of the cycle, they all can withdraw their money with some interest they earn on it. But during that cycle, also, each one of them, they basically put their money in a different interval. So basically, each one of them can withdraw some gains on different part of the cycle. But they explain it pretty much better than me in the help section because, you know, they are the one who building the platform and all that. So head to the help section if you have any question about what is an issue, personal saving or cooperative saving, and you want to know better. They created those documentation pretty well. It's well made. It's all there to let you try the testnet and get in with us, trying to rank up the leaderboard. When you're gonna be starting, you're gonna have to use MetaMask. You get on get starting, then you're gonna use MetaMask with the Binance Smart Chain network, basically. So they're gonna explain you how to connect to the Binance Smart Chain network. there's the updated information over here under the picture. That's what you're gonna have to enter. And once you're connected to the Binance Smart Chain, you just have to get your BNB from Faucet, that they give the link in that place also. I can leave it on the bottom of my video as well, and you can get on the platform then to go get your BUSD for the testnet. And then you can enjoy trying stuff as we all did, and we all had fun. Just to let you know, there's many people who are trying the platform at the moment. We are 204 person who had tried the platform. So there's 50%, 50 lucky winner that can win some token on 200%. You still have a good luck to do it, like a good chance to do it. I hope you guys enjoyed that content about Zen Finance, and see you in next videos about anything crypto related. Don't forget to leave a like and a share on that video if you enjoyed it, and see you soon, guys.